equidistant from minus a half 1 and the line y equals minus 2. So let's mark off these points. Then minus a half 1, let's put that here. Minus a half 1. And then the line y equals minus 2, let's mark that off. I'll just put it in a dashed line. This is the line y equals minus 2, say. There it is there. There's minus 2. So, equidistant from this point and this line. So basically, if we, this is the axis of our parabola, the axis of the parameter around which it's symmetrical. This is minus a half in height, this is minus 2, so halfway between them will be 1 point on the parabola. So say here, so to go from 1 in height rather, to minus 2, there's a distance of 3, so if I come down 1.5 to minus a half in height, that will be the height. The x-coordinate will of course be minus a half, so put that in as well. So there's the coordinate of the vertex, and it will go around from here, like so, and it will go around from here, like so. There's our parabola, quadratic function of course. So let's mark off a general point P, let's put it here, P, X, Y. Let's drop a vertical down to the line. This distance is the height difference, it's y plus 2. So that will equal y plus 2 squared, will be the height, the length of the line. So we can put that in there. This distance across here, from this point to this point then, is the same as this distance. So that's a triangle here. So the distance in x's is x minus this x value, which is minus a half. So that's x plus a half squared. That's one side of the triangle. The y side of the triangle is y, take away 1, that's the height. And then square that as well. So this squared plus this squared equals the other, this length squared. So that length squared is the same as that length squared. That's what we've said here. Now, what have we got then? So, what have we got? We've got x plus a half squared. We can leave that as is for the time being. Is equal to, now here, the y squared in this bracket will cancel with the y squared when you expand this bracket. So they'll go. You'll get minus 2y here and you'll get 4y there. So bring the minus 2y over with the 4y to make 6y. You've got a 1 here, you've got a 4 here. Bring the 1 over. 4 take 1 is 3. So we end up with then x plus a half square to the power x to the half squared, that should be, shouldn't it, of course. Squared is equal to 6 outside a bracket, and we'll need a y plus a half inside, won't we? So that we get the 6y plus 3. So there's our parabola. Now if we look at the vertex here, let's just check that. When x is minus a half, this will be 0. When y is minus a half, this side will be 0. And we're at the vertex, aren't we, of the parabola.